Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a frontal installation, kind of how Arrogant Tay does his. So, you know what I'm saying? Arrogant C, that's me, period. So I'm not going to talk too much during the video, you guys. It's all self-explanatory. Just sit and watch the video and enjoy. So I just wanted to pop in really quickly to show you guys, once I lay my frontal down, I like to comb it into my skin to make sure that it's really flat. Once I do this, I take my Got2b glue and I just basically spray it where my part is so it can be super flat, no flyaways. And I also like spraying it on the front ends, so when I curl my hair, it gives you that like swoop to the front look. Now I'm cutting off my frontal and I'm showing you guys how I do it in 3 sections, and I just wanted to pop in and show you guys that. So I just wanted to come on really quickly and talk to you guys about the hair. This is DSoar. I absolutely love this hair texture. I will have all the information on my screen like I usually do. This texture is absolutely gorgeous. It is so soft. I'm not getting any shedding, any tangling at all. The frontal bleached beautifully. As you guys can see, it is sitting. I created the baby hairs. I was trying to go for an Arrogant Tay inspired install, and I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. I usually never do dramatic baby hairs like this, but the baby hairs are laid, frontal laid. I went in with a little bit of fawn to make my part a little bit HD, kind of how Arrogant Tay does his. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is so soft. When I was straightening the unit, I was like, wow, like, I don't think this hair is gonna give me any trouble at all. I did go ahead and dyed these bundles black, jet black, with my Adore dye, and I dyed the frontal. Of course, I used the watercolor method before I bleached my knots, and girl, it's bomb. Like, I really love this hair company, you guys. It's back to school, and I really want to keep popping out these hair videos for you guys so you guys can have some affordable, nice hair to wear back to school, because I know it can be a struggle trying to find some bomb hair. But baby girl, Fashionably Frugal, I got you covered. The hair, bomb. I think I want to do the crinkles on it next. Wow, this hair looks absolutely great. Alright everyone, that does complete this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.